Hello, my name is Faisal and welcome back to the iOWN channel. We've had several requests for a video explaining a step-by-step guide on how to buy iOWN tokens, where you can benefit from trading and profiting, or even utilizing iOWN tokens and investing in many businesses and startups via the iOWNX platform, which is soon to be launched, and receive profits from shares you own. Remember to always trade safe and invest smartly. You can also apply this guide to buy any of your favorite coins or tokens. iOWN token is currently trading on P2P, B2B.io and latoken.com with a trading pair of Ethereum and USDT. USDT is basically a stable coin worth $1. In this video, I'll be using P2P, B2B exchange to buy iOWN tokens. But first, we'll need to buy some Ethereum. Buying Bitcoin or Ethereum is very direct. You can use your debit or credit card on a lot of websites and brokers. I'll be showing you just 2 websites out of the hundreds available. Commissions and fees will differ from one broker to the other. The first website is changely.com. Click on buy, place the amount you want to purchase in US dollars. I'll put 200. And it will show you how many Ethereums you'll get for that. You can always change the currencies and the country of residence. And click buy Ethereum now. You'll enter the page where it'll show you what 200 USD will get you in Ethereum. The best offer is always placed on top. You can click buy now and purchase your Ethereum. The next website is cryptopay.me. Click buy Bitcoins, pledge the amount you want to buy, and select Ethereum. It will show you how much Ethereum you can get for $200, including the 4% fee. You'll need to sign up to buy. So now that you have bought Ethereum, you'll need to transfer it to an exchange to buy iOWN tokens or your favorite cryptos. You can visit P2P, B2B.io and click register. Fill in your email, password, and confirm your password. Agree the terms and conditions. Complete the verification puzzle. And then click sign up. Once you log in, the exchange will ask you to complete the KYC and verification. So click on verification, insert your first name, your last name, date of birth, select your gender and click next. Then you'll be asked to select your country, your city, street address, house or apartment number, and your zip code. Then click next. You'll be asked to attach an ID, a passport, a national ID card, or a driving license. I've selected the passport. To attach the file, click Upload File and select the file you want. Then click Next. You are then required to attach a single picture with your face shown clearly, a photo ID, a piece of paper with P2P, today's date, and your signature, all within the same photo, similar to the image showing on the screen. Then click Send. So the verification process is now pending. You receive an email mentioning that. It usually takes up to 2 days for your approval. Once you receive the approval and you're verified, you'll be ready to trade tokens or coins. If you have purchased Ethereum from the websites I've mentioned earlier or from any other platform, or even if you've stored it on your own iOWNX wallet, you will need to send the Ethereum to your P2P trading wallet. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your balances. then click on Deposit next to Ethereum. You'll be able to see your address. Click Copy so you can easily paste the address in any website or wallet, and you'll be able to send Ethereum to your P2P Ethereum wallet. Since I have some Ethereum stored on my iOWNX wallet, I will guide you through the process of transferring Ethereum to P2P B2B exchange. First, you'll need to open the iOWNX app, type in your password, click Ethereum, and you can see your balance. Type in the amount you'd like to send. Paste the address to where you want to send. Click regular speed, then click send transaction. You'll have to type your password again for security measures, then click continue. This confirms your transaction has been successfully created. You'll go back to your balance, and if you click refresh, your balance will be updated. The Ethereum should be on its way to your P2P B2B wallet. Head back to the exchange, click on balance, and you'll see that the Ethereum has arrived in your main account. You'll need to transfer them to your trading account. Click transfer, max, and now they're available for trading. You'll then need to click trade, then click on ETH Ethereum, type in iOWN, then click the iOWN Ethereum pairing. When you scroll down, you'll have sell orders on your left and buy orders on your right. Type in the price of iOWN you'd like to buy in Ethereum. If you click the total balance, it will show you how much iOWN tokens you receive and how much Ethereum you'll need to spend. Then click buy. You will then receive a box with the summary of your order. Click confirm if you're happy with this price. You will see my order has been placed under the buy orders. And now the order is complete. I have purchased 1,467 iOWN tokens for 0.14 Ethereum. My balance will also appear next to sell iOWN. You can click on balance and your wallet will appear. You can see now that I have 1,467 iOWN tokens under the trading account. If you choose to sell your iOWN tokens, you need to head back to the trading page. You can select the amount of tokens you'd like to sell and on what price. You can also choose a price from the sell orders section, or for a higher price and even a competitive price. If you decide to keep your tokens, go back to balance and you can transfer your iOWN tokens from the trading account back to your main account. I also highly recommend that you store your iOWN tokens in a safer wallet. In this case, I'll be transferring the iOWN tokens to my iOWNX wallet. You will need to click on withdraw, type in your address or paste your address. You will see that P2P B2B exchange will charge you 100 iOWN tokens as a fee. And click withdrawal request. You will receive your tokens in a few minutes. I hope this guide can help you if you're planning to buy iOWN tokens. You can always apply the same method in buying your favorite alternative coins and tokens. Now, generally speaking, if you're planning to buy alternative coins or tokens, you'll need to pair them with either Bitcoin or Ethereum. And always try to find a website that sells these coins for a low fee. Exchanges such as P2P and LAToken allows you to buy Ethereum with credit card or a debit card. I have also left links for the exchanges I've mentioned earlier and the iOWNX app in the description below. I really recommend that you store the iOWN tokens on the iOWNX app. That's after buying them from the exchanges. Here is a video of the iOWNX installation guide. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.